Great traders. We're looking at a trade called LHC. We want to enter 25.40, take profit 27.31, and our stop loss is 24.89. You will see my quantity is 175. The reason for is if I go lower than 175 in quantity, I'm going to go out of my 1 to 2 ratio. I will show you the example now. So if I'm going to go for 175 shares minimum, my risk is 149, my reward 274. So here I'm going to change it to 170. Let's see what happens. There it goes out of my 1 to 2 ratio. That is why it's important to look at this quantity. Looking at the share itself, LHC, I can basically see there's 4 support levels here on the same bottoms here, and I'm pointing it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So the expectations will break up. Indicators are quite low, and we might see a bit of a positiveness happening to these resistance here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 resistance levels at the top here. So let's see how this trade plays out.